Hi everyone, welcome to ARiEAL, a research center that brings together faculty from humanities, engineering, sciences, and health sciences. Here we explore the fascinating world of human language through interdisciplinary collaboration and cutting-edge research. So what do we do here at ARiEAL? Well, researchers in our lab study human language using a variety of techniques like behavioral experiments, databases, fieldwork, ultrasound, eye tracking, and brain imaging techniques like EEG. So come, let's take a walk through. Welcome to our reading lab. In the reading lab, eye tracking technology helps us investigate how people read and comprehend written language. By studying gaze patterns, we learn about cognitive processes involved in language understanding. Our teams have also collaborated with groups like CBC Kids to understand and figure out the best subtitles for watching TV shows. So that was our eye tracking lab. Let's go take a look at the phonetics lab. Over here, we've got the phonetics lab. This is where we explore the intricacies of speech production and perception. Using techniques like ultrasound, we can visualize tongue movements and study how sounds are formed across different languages. It's like getting a behind-the-scenes look at how speech happens. Our teams have conducted research on speech production and perception across different languages, as well as in individuals with autism spectrum disorder, how foreign accents influence humor appreciation, and much more. So that was our phonetics lab. Let's go take a look at one of our EEG labs. Check this out, our EEG lab. Here we use brain imaging technology to study how people process language. EEG works by placing small sensors on your head that detect electrical signals from your brain, showing how it responds to sounds and words. By observing brainwaves, we gain insights into speech perception and cognitive functions. It's like peeking inside your mind as you listen and understand language. Pretty awesome, right? Our teams have explored how memory and attention influence language processing, helping us understand how people remember words and meanings during conversations, as well as how listeners differentiate between speech sounds even when they sound very similar. So that was one of our EEG labs. Let's go take a look at our community space. At ARiEAL, undergraduate students have access to exceptional learning, training, and mentoring opportunities usually reserved for graduate students and professors. You can work on industry-led projects, collaborate with community partners, and gain skills that boost your employability. From internships to networking with industry leaders, funding opportunities to developing your CV, ARiEAL is a starting point for various career paths, including speech-language pathology and other language-focused programs. So that's just a glimpse of what we do here at ARiEAL, but there's so much more to discover. Whether you're passionate about language, technology, or just curious about how our minds work, there's a place for you here. Your journey in language science starts now, so we'll see you at ARiEAL.